What's up, guys? Here with another video. And today we will be playing a pretty close game to what we were just playing. This one's called Grand Action Simulator. The other one was called Amazing Strange Rope Police. So, yes. But this one, what you have to do in a game is find a tank. And I found a tank. It's in the Amazing Strange Rope Spark Police, whatever it is, 2. And your objective is to find a tank for whatever reason. But I found a tank. Right now, I'm clearly in the middle of nowhere. I'm trying to get up this ramp right now. And I can't really drive it, so I'm just running up real fast, trying to see what's at the top. And this guy, he can't go, like, he can't swing. He's literally just a regular man. With really, like, watch this, hold on. Wait, hold on. Oh, I found a helicopter. Yay. Yes, I also did learn that you can ride helicopters. Oh, see that? I just did a flip. And somehow, backflips be like, I survived this fall. However that's possible. Yeah. So I'm gonna drive this thing up there best I can. Might take me a while. I got it stuck. I can't get out. Yeah, it spits out acid. It's really fun. I killed a lot of people with it. Oh, I got out. Alright, go in. Maybe we can use the helicopter and get this thing off. Because I want to keep this thing. Alrighty. I think it's pretty cool that I found the tank. It took me like half an hour to find it though. Wow. Good fun. Yeah. Hold on. There you go. That may have just gotten unstuck, so let's try. Whoa. Ah. Get back. Wait, where is it? Get back here, you. Ah. Alright. Maybe we can. Ah! Well, that's a good way to land it. Yes. Alright. Stay. Alright, let's fix this. Nice, alright. Why can't I jump that? Ah, thank you. What? I can't. That's it. I can't jump then. I don't know why. Gosh. That's how you do it. Now fly. Ow! Oh! Are you kidding? iron. Whatever. It's like we're taking. I run faster than the cars, which is really ironic. Okay. So I did find 2 more games that are like this since Amazing Strange Rope Police. So if you want me to play those games and post them here, like this video and subscribe and comment for more games that you think you might want me to play, and basically anything really. We're almost up there. It's getting hard to see. There you go. I'm ready to drive it off that ramp if we can drive this correctly. There you go. Ow. Alright, here we go. Ah! Well, that didn't work out right. Let's try it again. Alright, here we go. Let's hope I can do this. No, why is the steering so... Oh, it's going! It's going! Ah! Alright, there we go. Ow. That one we were pretty close, but then of course I had to go mess it up and yeah, do nonsense. So I just beep 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 beep. Oh, I can't see. Ah! Can't see. I'm going. Ah! Alright. And I'm stuck. No, I'm done with the tank. I don't know why we had to find a tank. Probably because you can destroy people with that thing. But you know, I can destroy people without that thing, so let's do this. Alright, so let's try that. I'm stuck. Ah! Oh, there we go. Alright, we're good. What is this? It's like a laser. Why isn't it getting destroyed? Die, stinking tank. Oh, look, it's smoking. Alright. Rockets. Alright, let's see how we did. Oh, wow. We actually did it. We destroyed a tank. Alright. This is the strongest helicopter I've ever driven. We're just gonna keep following this path. Alright, let's see. Whoa. I wonder where this goes. I'll just keep going straight. Oh, look, it's a ramp. Not that I can fly on it. No. Keep going. Let's fly low. I glitched out. It's all your fault, ambulance. Monster trucks. Comment down below if you were obsessed with monster trucks when you were younger. I was. How far does this thing? Ah! It glitched. Ah! Ooh, I need that. Put it down, nice and soft. Bitcoins be like, yeah. Oh, ready? Yeah. That's how you jump cars in Sweden. Euro. Whoa! I'm on 1 star. I've been to 5 stars before. I died as soon as I got there. The most annoying vehicle in this game is probably the ambulance because they don't leave you alone. I wonder if there's a helicopter. Wait a second. Did we just go? We probably did. Alright. Look, there's water. You can't go in the water, but you can fly over it. Oh, I crashed. It stopped. Who wants me to crash it? Be like, I can't crash it. This thing goes as fast, so that's good. What is this? What's that? Oh, it's another tank. Somewhere, right there. See? But I don't want to see what this is. Ah. Hey, it's me. What's this? Blah. Let him sad to death. I don't know why they get at the car. I'll tell you. Good luck with that. Let me run you over. Spray you. You sprayed. Ah, I ran over a cop. Get me. I'm too strong for you. Alright, come here, cop. What I like to do. I like to burn you in acid. Yeah. So this game's pretty good. Fun, to be honest. Ah, yes. This car is flying. I think I underestimated this car. Ambulances. I hope you die painfully. Now let me continue driving. Alright. Well, if you like this game, like and subscribe. And comment for more games that you like and you want me to play. And yeah. What is this? Well, we will continue this next time.